So what happens is I have a community on Facebook and I want to notify them every time I upload a new video on my YouTube channel. Why? Because I want to gain the engagement and the likes of the Facebook community on my YouTube channel so that I can grow my channel more easily. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also get YouTube views from your Facebook. So if you also have a strong community on Facebook and do you also want to notify them about every time you publish a new video on YouTube, then you are on the right video. So let's see how we can notify our community on Facebook whenever we upload a new YouTube video. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post up to 100 of YouTube videos on your Facebook for free and gain views. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as YouTube. For the event, you have to select it as new video in channel with video URL and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. You have to click on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your YouTube. Okay, so select the Gmail account. Once you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this continue, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now your YouTube channel is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to select the channel ID and click on this save and send test request. When you're going to click on the save and send test request, you are going to receive the response of the YouTube video. Okay, so we have the video URL and the rest of the details. So as you can see, I have received this title, this description and the video URL. So this is the latest video which I published on my YouTube channel. So if you want to capture the response for a particular video, then what you can do is you can first post it on your YouTube channel, then click on the save and send test request. So it is going to capture the last video published as the response. Why? Because YouTube is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data. And over here in the case of YouTube, you can set this trigger time. Just left click on this and go on this set trigger time. The minimum is 10 minutes and the maximum is 24 hours. I'm just going to keep it as 30 minutes and save this. So now this YouTube is going to check for new data in every 30 minutes. Okay, so now let's just post this on our Facebook that we have a new YouTube video live. For that, you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to select it as Facebook pages. So search for Facebook pages over here and select Facebook pages. Make sure to select this only, okay? For the event, select it as create page post and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Now what you have to do, you just have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account. So once your account is logged in, you just have to click on continue and you are good to go. Your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So make sure to log in all your accounts before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure very easy, okay? So now our Facebook pages is connected. So once our Facebook pages is connected, we have to first of all make sure the name of the page for which we want to create this automation. So I want to post all of these on this Facebook page, which is named Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's just go back and search for the same page, which is Pabbly Connect, and select it. Now for the message, I'm just going to copy the message from my previous workflow, which is this. I'm just going to copy and paste this same message. If you also want this same message, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and copy the message from there. Now what I'm just going to do is I am just going to enter the video title and the URL over here. Okay, so let's just first enter the title, but over here's a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I entered use code RITYT for Pabbly Connect discount. This was the title of the YouTube video. So I have simply mapped it. Rest of the details I am just going to keep it as static because these will not change. Only the video URL and title is going to change. Rest this message will be same, which is new YouTube video is live. Hey everyone, our latest YouTube video is now available. Watch it here. Where's the title? If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Now for the link URL, let's just map the video URL right over here too. So let's just map it and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see that we have successfully did this. So let's just click on the save and send test request, and once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our Facebook. Okay, so let's just open Facebook and we're going to refresh this Facebook page and you're going to see, yes, a new post is posted. New video is live. Hey everyone, our latest YouTube video is now available. Use code RITYT for Pabbly Connect discount. This is the title of the YouTube video, and we can watch the YouTube video from here directly. Click on this link and yes, you can watch the video directly from here. So easy, right? Yes, go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and you can also get more YouTube views from your Facebook community just by creating this simple automation. And you can try this for free today also. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. Further, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want more automation tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.